Hello everyone, welcome to Gamya Tutorials. Today topic General Awareness Important Questions Previous Year Part 2. Let's start. First question. National flag was hosted for the first time in India, that is Calcutta. The unit of resistance is ohms. The inflammable substance on the tip of matchstick is phosphorus. Most of water in dehydration of substance is sodium chloride. In the manufacturing of transistor, the two main objects is used, that is silicon and germanium. Okay. For making non-stick kitchen and utensil it is used, that is Teflon. Which body has framed the constitution of independent India? Drafting committee. Pagradea Dam project is located in which state? Assam. The sodium salt of stearic acid is a soap. Stearic acid. In allotropies of carbon, that is diamond is hardest and graphite is softest. Bell metal is an alloy. Which alloy? Tin and copper. Okay. The elephant caves have been mostly ascribed to which dynasty? Rashtrakutas. Central Institute of Indian Language is located in which state? Mysore. Ants sting have formic acid. If a rocket is propelled from Earth to Moon, then its velocity is gravitation of Earth. The magnetism in the center of bar magnet is 0. Okay. The property of observation of air in a open place is called hygroscopic. Hygroscopic. Monazite is an ore of thorium. The time needed for complete digestion and absorption of food in human intestine is 8 hours. Hybridization is a cross pollination between two plants. A paper is kept under a glass full of water without spilling water, it would be taken. This statement is an example for Newton's third law. Okay. In firecracking, green luminance is due to barium. Barium. The theory of economic drain of Indian British imperialism was proponent by Dadabhai Naoroji. Alamatti Dam is situated on which river? Krishna. Gandhi Sagar Dam is a part of Chambal project. Which book was authored by a lady of Mughal royal house? Humayun Naam. The planets on either side of Earth are Mars and Venus. Which bank largest number of branches in India? SBI. State Bank of India headquarters is located in Mumbai. Mumbai. Lord Mahavira died at Pavapuri. Who is called the father of Indian cinema? Dada Shalve Palke. Okay. Universal receiver can receive blood from only AB. What is the instrument for measuring blood pressure called spirometry? It is important, very important question. Lot of time asked in previous year questions. So next question. Cancer is a disease which will find uncontrolled cell division. Okay. If the lens in eye becomes obtuse, the disease is called cataract. In which city Indian Institute of Petroleum located? Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Jalandhar in Punjab, famous for which industry? Sports goods. The governor of a state can be removed by prime minister. One second. Atom having same atomic number but different mass is called isotopes. Important question. Which has the highest electron affinity among halogenous? Fluorine. Phobos and Deimos are satellite on which planet? Mars. The moment of a lighter and heavier object is same. Which has the highest kinetic energy? Heavier object. pH value shows acidity and basicity of solution. The term of for UN General Secretary is 5 years. Given an example for the conversion of sugar solution into alcohol, that is called fermentation. Important. According to the Constitution of India, the President can impose emergency through the Article 352. The duration of day and night increases as we move from pole towards the equator. Is important. Is important. Okay. So next question. Which schedule was included in the Constitution by the Amendment of Constitution in 1951? Ninth schedule. Very important. For how many years an Indian citizen should work in the High Court as judge for the appointment in the Supreme Court? 5 years. The Olympic flame was the first time ceremony lighted and burnt in gain torch at entrance of the stadium. Amsterdam, 1928. International Labour Day celebrated in 1st May. The cytoplasm of a cell is the protoplasma present between plasma membrane and outside the nucleus. What is the mouth of a river? River valley which separates delta to sea. Which ruler was the great supporter of Mauryan Buddhism? Kanishka. For showing the correct timing of the clock, which is the oscillations of cycle in max? Is it 2 times, 3 times? I didn't questions. Okay. In periodic table, chlorine and bromine are kept in the same period because both have 7 electrons in its outermost shell. Is important. The oldest statue of Buddha in human form is related to which art site? Mathura. Which article of the Indian Constitution gives the right to the Parliament to the from new state by altering the boundary of old state? Article 3. If a clock based on pendulum spring is taken to moon, then it moves slowly. The cell responsible for water condition in plants are xylem. Most important. In mammals, the sweat glands are related to elimination of extra salts. According to the Constitution of Indian, what is the duration of term of Comptroller and Auditor General? 6 years. In 1919, the section of All India Caliphate Committee was held at Delhi. Zakir Hussain was the third president and second vice president. Lichens are related to algae and fungi. Is important. It is easier to walk on concrete floor compared to ice floor because concrete have more friction than ice. Brilliance of diamond is mainly due to total internal reflection. Modern time measurement system is based on constellation of the chemical name of oxygen is carbonyl chloride. The ferrous salt which is used to stop bleeding is ferric oxide. Naphthalene and sand mixture can be separated by sedimentation. Important. The largest island, Andaman and Nicobar Island, is important. Greenwich is situated near New York. Which planets travel from east to west around the sun? Uranus. Between which station did the first train run in India? Bombay to Thane. Important. What is the minimum broadband speed prescribed the telecom? 512 kb kilobyte. The change of state directly from solid to gas called sublimation is important. Which is used to measure the high temperature? Pyrometer. What is the H2O commonly known as water? Which element is used in the manufacturing of fertilizer? Potassium. Joint parliament sections are chaired by the Speaker of Lok Sabha. The minimum age to qualify for election to the Lok Sabha, 25 years. The National Integration Council is chaired by Home Minister. October 2nd, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, is the international observed as Non-Violence Day. Which element is used in the manufacturing of fertilizer? Potassium. Important. Joint parliamentary section is just now again. 1 second. Telangana became the 29th state on Union India on 2nd June 2014. National song Vande Mataram has been taken from Anand Math. Important. Where is the Statue of Liberty located? New York. Important. Who is the Sanskrit poet called as the Indian Shakespeare? Kalidasa. సో ఈరోజు వరకు ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చేయండి, మళ్ళీ పార్ట్ 3 అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్, లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ ఇట్. జై హింద్.